Hi guys, Terry here. Behind me, what you're seeing is one of the first production samples of the Outer Armchair. And today I wanted to do an unboxing video for you, so let's get started. Let me start with measuring it so you know how big it is. The box dimensions are 35 inches by 37.5 inches. And 24 inches high. Rest assured, if you have a tight space that you're trying to get to, maybe it's on a roof deck, that it should be easy to do. I certainly recommend doing it with another person. I did move it by myself. The box, I weighed it. The entire box is around 78 pounds, so quite hard for one person, but I was able to do it. Let's open the box up. Okay, I've opened the box up, and you can see the frame is snugly in here. There are corner protection pieces. When I look at the packaging, there is actually very little styrofoam content. We made sure to limit what that is. So when you look in here, you see the frame, you see the back cushion, you can see the actual cushion with the outer shell on it, and then the box with the legs. Something to note, there's a copy on here. It says Outer's hardware pouches are repurposed and made with excess fabric from the cutting room floor that would have gone to the landfill. Let me open it up. So you can see it is packaged where you see the tops of two of them. When I pull it out, you can see there is a box that actually is keeping the other two from clanking into each other. So four of these total. Pull these out. And then there's another small inner box inside. And in this box, the pouch that it sounds like the hardware to attach the legs are in. There's actually the Outer logo on the screws. They were designed to be the exact length so that it wasn't too long and it was as quick as you can to put it on. Next thing I'm gonna pull out is, there is a tube. I'll open it up, and in the tube, there is a ratcheting Allen tool. There's a little toggle here, and in pushing it to the right, it actually helps to tighten. And then if you adjust the toggle to the left, it actually unloosens. The cushion was packaged with another protective plastic packaging to keep it clean, so it gets to you clean and pristine. Let's pull out the chair. I have the chair sitting on my coffee table, and you can see everything that was in the packaging that we'll be using. And I'll show you how easy it is to put the legs on. So now that I have hand put these on quickly, I'm going to use the tool. And you can see there is a handle to ratchet, but what I like to do, there is a knob up top, and you can just tighten it that way really quick. And you can see it maybe took me 8 seconds to do one. I'll do the next one, maybe time it maybe. So now I have these hand tightened, and I'm just going to do like 1 or 2 turns, and this is on. You also notice that our frames are kind of unique in that they are colored blue. The frame was designed intentionally so that it actually makes you want to look at the way it was crafted. The frames are made with aluminum, and with aluminum, there's no chance of rusting just because there's no iron content in it. But we did also add an additional protective layer, and the blue you're seeing is powder coat. Okay, legs are on. It does come with 1 extra piece of hardware, which I can keep just in case something happens, but they all worked fine. Okay, now the chair, I've put the legs on. I've put it in approximately the place I like. I'm sure I'll adjust it a little bit, but I'll put the cushions on and give you my first impressions of the chair. So here's the chair. You can see how it looks relative to the sofa. And I'll show you something that I'm particularly excited about the armchair. So, end of the day, you know, when you had a armless chair here, you would fold it down and you would protect it, but the sides would still be uncovered. And in this chair, I'll show you, you can fold it down with the cushion, fold this down. It's now fully protected, so you don't have to worry about the cushions getting wet. Okay, that's it for my unboxing video of Outer's new armchair. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative, and if you have any questions, please send them in the comments or reach out to us on our site at www.liveouter.com. If you did like this video, please hit the like button and say goodbye to Chu. And until next time, and next time will be sooner than you think, because we'll be launching a lot more products this coming year, and I will be doing more unboxing videos. See you next time.